All right, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 3 of going through that toolbox. In this episode, we're actually going to be cleaning with an ultrasonic cleaner. A lot of the tools because they're super grimy and nasty. So if you haven't seen the other episodes, go back and watch those right now and then come to this one. But yeah, we'll go ahead and dive in. I picked up this ultrasonic cleaner from Amazon. I'll include the links down in the description. This is the 30-liter one, so I'll go ahead and start getting this filled up. I'm just going to use some super mean green, super strength cleaner and degreaser. I also have like simple green that I could be using, and then I've used this stuff before. This is pretty awesome. This is pretty awesome. It's called LA's Totally Awesome, so no pun intended there. But yeah, I'll go ahead and start filling that up, and then we'll start running some of the tools in there and see how they come out. Okay, so for the first round, I'm just gonna do a small batch. I got like some snap-on screwdriver. You can see how nasty that all is. This nasty needle nose. Another screwdriver, some gear wrench-like picks. Can barely even read the name, they're so nasty. So go ahead and throw that in there and we'll see how that turns out. All right, there is the first pass. Seems like it's pretty good. Okay, it seems like it's really good. Oh, wow. Like, look at it. You can see red now on this. You couldn't even see that. Okay, maybe I'll grab a rag. Okay, that is pretty good, especially considering this is the first pass. I am pretty impressed. Like the rest of this stuff just seems to wipe off now. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Try to get this. Holy cow. Holy cow. I mean, if we can focus here. That looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna wipe these down and then I'll show you guys in a sec. Okay, check that out. Like the gear wrench little picks here came out so good. I don't even remember which one was the worst, but they all came out so good. That came out great. These snap-on screwdrivers came out amazing. This is crazy. I think the only thing I'm gonna do this one, I'm gonna run it through it one more time. I feel like if we do another pass of it, it'll look a lot better. I also wonder if I should put in like a rust solution to help get the rusting off. But it also, I wanted to tell you, it moves super easy. Like it wasn't moving, and now, you know, I don't even have a second hand on it. And it'll open and close by itself. So that's another bonus. This is sick. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more tools and we'll do another run. Okay, I just grabbed a batch of stuff. I just threw it in there. I don't know if you're supposed to stack stuff, if that's okay or not, but I'm just having fun at this point. Here's like a close-up of these. You can see like the handles are super nasty. The teeth are all grimy. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully we're focusing. So go ahead and throw that in. And then I also wanted to see if this is cleanup. There was a sticker right here, just a funnel, but obviously it's pretty nasty. So I think I'm gonna try to get this in there too, and then we'll throw that in. See how that comes out. Okay, this doesn't fit all the way down, but I'll just rotate it like halfway through or something. Hopefully it gets cleaner. Let's go ahead and throw the lid back on and then set the timer. Let's just do another 20 minutes, I guess. Obviously, we're not up to temp yet, so that seems like that takes a while, but yeah. So while that was cleaning, I decided to clean out one of the drawers. So I started sorting out the drawer and stuff I wanted to keep and then throwing a lot of stuff away. There was just a ton of junk in here. Once I had it sorted out, I obviously blew it out and then wiped it down, cleaned the mat, and then flipped the mat back over. And by the time that was done, the parts were ready to go. All right, second round is done. This is already looking a lot better. I haven't even wiped any of this off. So I'll go ahead and transfer this to the towel, and then I'll wipe stuff up and then give you guys an update again. So these came out great. This guy came out amazing. Super happy with how that came out. There's some of them obviously have like corrosion. So that's just corrosion. Nothing really can do about that except soak it in like some type of acid. But like this guy, even if you can focus, in between all like the teeth and stuff was all grimy. That's all gone. So yeah, super happy with how that is now. Obviously, I feel like I need to put some type of coating to prevent any like rusting or something. I don't know if you guys have an idea. Drop that in the comments. But yeah, let's move on to the next batch. And I figured now would be a great time to get these put away because the drawer is nice and clean. And then I decided I might as well go through the whole toolbox, pull out as many screwdrivers that I could find. Even found this little set right here. I thought I'd throw the little baggie in too to see how that would come out. So I even put the baggie in the solution also. You can see some of these aren't too bad, but some of them are a bit grimy, and I figured, hey, why not? So let's throw those in also. And then while that was in getting cleaned, I went on with the next drawer, just did what I did previously, cleaned it all up, took the mat out, blew it out, wiped it down, cleaned the mat, flipped the mat over, and by that time that was all done, the cleaning solution was done too. A lot of this stuff just came out really freaking good. Like some of the stuff looks almost brand new. Oh man, it feels so satisfying. Even that little like pouch and thing, like this came out so much better. A lot of these like generic stuff I probably won't keep. This looks like it's an old Snap-on. Maybe I'll keep that. But a lot of like these, I don't know. I don't think I'll keep them. Probably see what I can figure out with those. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get this stuff in the drawer now. So I decided to fill the drawer with just the Snap-on stuff. I'm sure I'll go through at a later point and reorganize stuff, but this is just obviously the first pass of cleaning stuff, organizing it, figuring out what I'm keeping and not keeping. I then decided to drain the solution tank. I wanted to see how grimy it was on the bottom. Comes with this tube and attachment and everything. Absolutely love that. It makes draining it super easy. And then once it was drained, the bottom looked like this. Everything just wiped right up. It was not that bad at all. And I highly recommend getting Ultrasonic Cleaner. I'm super pleased with this purchase, and I'm just looking forward to using it more in the future now with all of the other tools and stuff to go through. All right, so I am super happy with how this thing is performing. Again, the solution I was using was just mean green. I put in a little bit of this LA Awesome, I think it's called. Yeah, LA's Awesome. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's some other type of solution that someone has that they can recommend, but that seems to be working really good. Obviously, there's a lot more drawers to go through. There's a lot more stuff to organize, and so that'll be in the future. If you like this type of content, make sure you guys hit me with that subscribe button, hit me with that like button, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.